Example number 8. Graph f of x equals square root of 1 minus x plus 2 using transformation. We will begin from step 1, that graphing the square root of x. We can do blocking the points in the head. So we got the point 0, 0, 1, 1, and 4, 2. So this is f of x equals square root of x. So we have A, B, C. The point C is 4, 2. The point B is 1, 1. And the point A is 0, 0. Then you can look at the function f of x in step 2. Let's rewrite the function f of x is equal square root of negative x plus 1 plus 2. I can do that, right? So I want to do the plus 1s first. So if we begin from the step 1 and then step 2, we will replace the input by x plus 1. We will get square root of x plus 1. If inside we have plus 1, the graph will move to the left 1 unit. So the point A will land on here, the B will be here, and the C will be here. We will get 3, 2 for C, 0, 1 for B, and negative 1, 0 for A. Step number 3, we will do the reflection because we see the minus. So if we replace x by negative x, then we will get f of negative x plus 1 equals square root of negative x plus 1. Then the graph of the function will reflect about the y-axis. So go back to step number 2. This is like a mirror. Then the B will be the same. The A will move to the 1, 0, and the C will be at negative 3, 2. And then the last step, step number 4, we have the function f of negative x plus 1, and then we add 2. We will get the answer is square root of negative x plus 1 plus 2, and the 2 is outside. It's okay, so we will move the graph 2 units up. The point B will be at 3 on y. The point C will be 1, 2, and the point A will be 1, 2, and the point C will be negative 3, 4. For this problem, there's a second way you can do this. Now, this is how we can do the second way. F of x equal, so method 2. F of x equal 1 minus x plus 2. What if I factor out the negative 1? Then I will get x minus 1. Factor out the negative 1, but it's that negative 1 still inside the square root. So we will get negative x minus 1 plus 2. So this this function, you can, first of all, we will begin from square root of x. Then we get the function like this. So we have a, b, c again. Now we do the reflection. So the minus is inside. So f of negative x equals square root of negative x. So we will reflect the graph about the y-axis. So we get something like this, right? And then we have, let's replace the x by the x minus 1. So f of negative of x minus 1, then we will get square root of negative x minus 1. The minus 1 telling us that we need to move to the right. The point A will be here, the B will be here, and the C will be here. The C will be moved right one step. The C will be at negative 3, 2. And then we add 2. So f of negative of x minus 1 plus 2, we get negative of x minus 1 plus 2. 2 will tell us that we need to move the graph 2 up. So A will be here, B will be 3 on Y, A will be 2 up, so A will be at 1, 2, and C will be 2 up, so C will be at this point. That point is negative 4, 4. Negative 3, 4. So we get the same answer.